और ऐसे बदतमीज क्राउड कभी कभी मिलता है, जैसे क्राउड में लाइक आई हियर दिस दैट लॉट ऑफ ड्रंक पीपल समटाइम्स
या
और फिर दे ट्राई टू इंटरवीन इन बिटवीन कि कुछ बोल दिया या हैकल कर
हैकलिंग,
दिया।
या हाँ यार, वो
हाँ
ओकेजनली मिल ही जाते हैं कहीं ना कहीं पे. I have realized this thing that it's very easy to take them down.
ज्यादा दिल्ली में मिलते हैं।
Delhi का हाँ, percentage wise I think Delhi would be high on
हाँ,
that. Famous for it. But it's very easy to take them down. You have the mic, the spotlight is on you. Everybody has come to watch you. Nobody has come to watch or listen to that person, right? So you can take them down very easily. Uh, I also felt that most of the time, I would say majority of the time, they don't know they are heckling. You understand? The intent is not to disrupt the show.
they want the attention on themselves.
They want to be a part of the show. They think it is okay to say something, right, as an add-on to what you've said, or try to complete your joke, or make a smart comment about something that you said. They think it's part of the fun that they are having. So majority of the time I've realized that is the case. So sometimes if you, even without putting them down, if you just give them the message na ki, or sometimes most of the time I just ignore it. Like मुझे लगता है ना,
You don't roast back, but a lot of comedians
I
do
would
that.
roast if the disturbance is too much. But अगर जैसे मैं I'm in the middle of a joke, मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ, वहाँ से कुछ किसी ने एक लाइन बोल दिया, right, and I'm realizing कि वो 2-3 मिनट के बाद दोबारा he's trying to say something, I would first ignore him because they get the message कि yeah, he's not entertaining me, right? I would ignore the message because I don't want the flow to go bad, because my joke will go bad. I'm setting it up, there is a certain tone in which I'm setting it up, there is a punchline coming, उसके बीच में मैं उससे बात करना शुरू करूँ, that joke is wasted, right? तो I normally ignore, and normally I've seen they shut up. बड़ा कोई ऐसे दारू वारू पी के ऐसे पागल ही हो रहा है, लगा ही हुआ है पीछे कि ये हमें ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, then you take them down. Then you take them down dirty. Once I have thrown somebody out of the show.
Thrown out?
Yeah, from the front row. And that too also because,
like in the act, मतलब आप
like during the show I've asked security to take him out. And unfortunately, that was in Jaipur, it happened. That guy was not even heckling. Like he was a huge fan of mine. Huge fan. Very young kid. Huge fan. He had come with 2 other friends. And वो दारू पी के आए थे. अब उन्होंने अपनी औकात से ज़्यादा पी ली थी. Right? तो they clearly couldn't handle it. तो वो फ्रंट रो में एकदम मेरे सामने बैठे हुए थे. एंड एक होता ना, यू टेल अ जोक, यू एक्सपेक्ट पीपल टू लाफ, वो हंसता था ना, फिर वो रुक नहीं रहा था वो. Like he would go, oh my god, sir, क्या sir, great sir.
मतलब sarcastically, like he
was
genuine.
Like he was really enjoying. He was a huge fan. I was told later on. And like एक होता ना, audience laughs, and फिर वो laughter कम, थोड़ा सा कम होता है, and then you continue with the thing. That guy would just not go down. Like always, sir, क्या बोल दिया sir आपने, and audience ने वो उस joke पे हंसना बंद कर दिया, right? I'm about to deliver the next line. वो रुक ही नहीं रहा. At one point I realized that, you know, he's a fan. So I told him, I said, relax भाई, उतनी पिया कर जितनी, नहीं हो रहा तो थोड़ा पीछे जाके बैठ जा. तो वो पीछे जाके नहीं बैठ रहा था. वो बार-बार ना वो हर joke के बीच में. And then there was, उस time पे whatever show I was doing, there was a very particular line which was a favorite line of mine. Right? It was a massive setup. And the joke was at the end of the setup. It was a brilliant joke. You would get an applause break and all those things. I was setting that up, and just when I was about to do the punchline, before the punchline, he started laughing for no random reason.
ऐसे ही?
हाँ, मतलब ऐसे सिर्फ setup पे. And the setup I know was not funny because it was, there's a, you know, sometimes you have a very long setup. When I say long, it
almost अब ना हम conclusion की तरफ जा रहे हैं अंशु. मेरे को अब से 2 चीजें पूछनी है यहाँ पे.
Yeah.